Hi, I'm Asia Harris, the director of FRS English. Welcome to rule number 3. So rule number 3 is very simple, so easy, and that's very powerful. In fact, I usually say this is the number one suggestion, the number one rule, the most important rule, so easy, and that is it. Learn with the ear, not with the eye. Okay, if you want to speaking silent English, you got to learn with the ear. Listening, and more listening is the key to speaking silent English. It's the most important thing. Because if you learn a lot, you are gonna learn vocabulary. You will learn grammar. You will get faster and you will understand better. Listening is kind of magic key to great English speaking. There's a lot of research about this, and this all shows the same thing. Listening is the most important thing you can do. So this tells us one reason you probably have some trouble with your speaking. Why? Because again, when you learn English in school, you probably learn mostly with your eye. Most English school, middle school, high school, university, private English school, most of them focus on textbook in classroom. I'm sure this has been true for you also. So textbooks. So that's problem. In school, basically you learn with your eye, and basically you learn to write English. You also learn to think about English. You so you know a lot about grammar rule. In fact, you know more grammar rules than most Americans, most Canadians, most private people, cause native speakers don't study the stuff very much. Native speakers learn to speak English with their ears by listening. That's what you must do if you want to speak English quickly, easily, automatically, correctly, just like a native speaker.